Come.
Yes, Mommy.
Are you still sleeping?
No.
Hey, it's 3:30 a.m. on the 24th of December. Tomorrow is Christmas Day, and we're about to embark on the greatest exodus in Africa. Yes, the greatest exodus of Igbo people to eastern Nigeria every Christmas. Look at the time. So yeah, it's like the Chinese traveling for the Chinese New Year. Let's go. As I was saying, all roads lead to Igbo land, specifically our hometowns, ancestral homes for Christmas and New Year celebrations. The migration starts from the middle of December. As soon as schools close, some wives, especially when the woman is a homemaker, and the children move to Igbo land to avoid the mad rush. Then the husbands follow much later. As always, we contracted the Sienna bus driver to take us home. I have said this before that this is my best means of traveling to the east, and I will continue to use it till thy kingdom come. If you're not anxious about traveling on Nigerian express routes, this is the best means of traveling. Hey, Oga Keba no kita.
Approaching no.
J3 kwa.
Approaching no.
Case one fear. That for with audience. So after I told you guys that we are leaving by 3 or something, the driver got lost or something. Okay, it's not getting better anymore. He said he was in traffic that very early in the morning. Do I believe him? I don't know. The jury is still out on that one, but yeah, we eventually left by 5. But the good thing is that we passed the redeemed area, past Shagamu, and now we are in Ajibandele, according to him. This J5 Ajibandele, I don't understand how many minutes from Ore.
Yeah, about 2.
Eh?
1 hour.
1 hour to Ore.
Or 30 minutes, but because of traffic.
Look at this vehicles going that way.
If you do that now. Okay, hold up.
You don't go and continue naga.
Hold up.
I'm not traffic guy. I have myself more than I am.
Don't worry about that.
I have my siblings, son, sister-in-law, and her daughter with me. Apart from the delays at checkpoints, it's a relaxed way to travel to the east. We'll be having conversations on everything from life to politics to the situation of the country. This one is standstill. Okay, it's not police.
Police checkpoint.
Kohame.
Police.
So, qu'est-ce que c'est qu'on ose bam? Et move.
I got no free. My head will see. Block is that side there.
It's a block on one side. This is your phone.
Oh, they have a course. I know they now truck a cut to a gas. Also, they for the overheat. Who can dance it total?
Nah, qu'est-ce que c'est what's a truck with you on that side?
I'm not getting up.
One more truck, sir.
And this Christmas.
Yeah, going over all night, some of them.
Exactly. It started at night. See the trailer that blocked the road. Can you imagine? This one is across. There's nothing you can do.
No, yeah, it's
Hey,
like in a movie.
the people coming behind us, they will suffer. They will go here and here today.
And you know something, no, yeah, I got men already. Truck, yeah.
What will somebody be driving that they will fall like that? Eh?
Well, let's know who's all the deals in the apple.
Oh, so to go to speed. Oh, boy, I can't. Just like what Mark got done earlier. Why God in that truck?
When Boko go judge na trot. Don't mind it. What goes that?
Oh, my heart gets severe or moves there
By itself. All I just take off. Because the last one before already.
Well, cab. I mean, cab the last time.
Army, You want her no?
No, don't cut it.
Obelu na ebidokwa. Anakwa mesi ya, o mewe wetin you the video. Ozo kita obia n'ihu m seti.
Akwa ebe akwa.
Ọ dị ka ebe a. Anaghị eme ifele ha si na eji ha agwọ ọgwụ ego ndị ọzọ. This is all red. Nwa dịkwa fresh. Ya kwụsị. Yes, agụ na agụ. Ezigbo mmadụ. Ọrụ ya adịmabere. Ije rie ndị free na nke madam.
A na-amacha ebe ọ kwụsị.
Nekwe case. Ahụ mgbe ekwu. Ha direct kuzi ebe a na park.
Why
did you wake up?
This is the Ore stopover. And the journey continues. We had our bathroom breaks, our driver had something to eat. The owner of the restaurant gives all commercial bus drivers free food. That's her way of thanking them for bringing their passengers to her restaurant. You know, there are other restaurants along the express where they can stop over, but they choose hers and she's grateful. We'll turn right here to take the Benin bypass, which is a shorter route that does not pass through the city of Benin. No traffic to cause delays on your journey. Before this bypass was constructed, passengers used to waste lots of journey time sitting in traffic inside Benin City. Next, we need to buy yellow garri. They make the best yellow garri in Delta State. So it's always good to buy some on your way home. Yeah, one pan, again. One thing. One base. Two things. Yellow garri. Egone.
Car 335.
Hey!
It's not 115. That's it. Gary.
Hey!
Gary.
See Gary everywhere. Woo! Madre. 35. This one 25. Case one, ya madam. Ima no maka na ibu ụzọ kpa anyị ka iji bịa ibu. Oga anyị biko kwụọ n'odo ma anyị. Madam, when you jigari dem, ewe ni. Agu àwọn nka. Koi na ele nka. Ichoria mi ichoria nge video e. Kere na elia, ichoria nge video e. E de Korean. Okay, mba e de India.
Follow me.
So you know what make I buy from here now? How much for plantain? How much for plantain?
This one big the two.
This one.
Carry out 2,000. How much you pay?
Hey!
How much you pay for plantain?
1,000. Now plantain day now.
That big one.
Plantain, where did they beg us for that Benin? How much last?
317.
No.
Carry this one. You know that money what they go take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3,000.
But this one I don't like him. He not mature well. He's not fat. This one, you see how the body they do poko.
Okay, carry this one now.
Now these two I want. I don't know why you're pointing at those ones.
If you look, sister,
3,000 these two. Okay, make I come.
Second Niger Bridge.
For us, I didn't have to clear this road.
I am an Indian Muslim, honestly. Yeah, I guess you can all of that.
Afachi uza na.
Malo safety ne.
We ga hang over we gbachi.
Ndị ọkọchị na America na aga to ndị mbata to ndị na-apụ one line.
Well, Christmas tree. The Anambra Christmas tree. Anambra na oddly mopo. Ndị obodo oyibo na-atacha nkịta ha edurucha mopo na nkwari. From here, we'll continue to my hometown to drop off my siblings, then move on to my husband's hometown, my new hometown. I already have videos of me traveling on these routes. I hope you experienced the mad rush with us. I did not show any detail this time because I already have a more detailed video of what it feels like to travel from Lagos to Onitsha. Click the box on the right to watch that video. Bye bye. See you soon.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah,
Ajim Najim. it is mumu.
That guy's a cool chat.
Kuja kandaku.